What's up, everybody? It's me, Miss T, and thanks for checking out the answer key. Tonight, we are getting ready to dive into some more deliciousness. We have some lobster tails, claws, eggs, corn, and potatoes on deck with the Miss B Love sauce. So sit back and relax. Let's dive right in. I am famished. I've been waiting for this all day. Oh, I hope you have enjoyed. Oh my goodness, that's still nice and steamy. Hope you've enjoyed your day. My goodness, I've been doing some things around my house. I'm trying to get not to a point of our bare nothings by any means, but definitely to a place of just essential things that we absolutely need, that we love, and none of the stuff that's just taking up space. Oh my goodness, look at that steamy drip. Come through, core. Oh my goodness, check that steam out. Whew. So, I have been working with the kids on getting rid of things, kind of purging a little bit. So, this is my reward. Because I definitely was good this week. Okay? I was good this week. And under the let me get to that later. Under the circumstances, my goodness, you guys, it's like I don't even want to turn on live television. It's been a lot. And as a mother of a tribe of young black boys and a girl, scary out here. But I found myself seeking rays of hope. And I saw different clips where young white kids were standing in front of their African American friends who were laying on the ground and stood between their friends and the police. And I said, wow, it was powerful. Like, this generation, I'm hopeful. I'm really hopeful. And I'm grateful to the parents who are raising their kids to love people. And what is that quote by Dr. Martin Luther King? By the character of their heart, not the color of their skin. That's it in a nutshell, you know. Certainly how I am with my kids. Not to like Debbie down our sit down, but we have to at least briefly acknowledge what's going on, because it's real and it's affecting all of us in one way or another. And as a mom, having to explain so many things to my kids, between what's going on in the air, whether they're going to have school next year, Y'all, I needed to sit down. I'm serious. Like, how much do you tell them? You know? It's like, on one hand, you don't want your kids to be in the dark. You also don't want them to be overwhelmed with fear or worry about things that they truly, at their tender age, cannot control. So I'm very mindful of how much I share, but they are somewhat aware of what's going on. You know, I don't want them to be oblivious to it either. So it's a fine line to tread, but we are treading it, and hopefully we are treading it with not just hope, but results, you know? So I'm just going to keep you in prayer, keep me in prayer, you know? You and your babies, whoever your babies are, whether they're your babies, your nieces, your nephews, whoever it is that you care about, that has a special place in your heart. I pray that they make it home safe every night, and you do too. All right, let's get back into this thing right here, because baby, I'm serious. I've been doing I found my tongue a little bit, but it was worth it. It was worth it. I've been doing a gallon a day again. And I have to tell you guys, you can check out my last video to see how I got started. But the second week, oh my goodness, this second week has so much more like visible changes and results. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to do that video. Because the first week, I definitely was more hydrated, and, you know, things that you expect to happen, happened. But this second week, that potato was good. Let's get into one of these bad boys. That second week, though, in all seriousness, that's when the benefits start showing up. See, the first week, I didn't realize they were benefits too, to the first week and everything, but like, not to the extent that I'm seeing them now. It's like, whoa, okay. Oh, man. Why does that keep happening to me? It's okay, don't worry about it. We're not going to worry about that right now. A little kickback never stopped me before, and it won't stop me tonight, okay? These days try to fight back. Woo, that's prickly. But, oh my gosh, it's just been so much going on with that challenge. And after the first week, I was like, you know what, I think I'm going to keep going. And then I saw that there was a 30-day challenge, so I said, we're going to give this a stab low key. I'm not going to post anything about it until I am sure I can actually commit to this. But I have. So far, so good. I kid you not, this is my last liter for the day. That's it. It's my last liter. And I will definitely have more water after that. So I kid you not. Like the second week, the struggle was so real that first week, y'all. Look at that. I had to tore it all the pieces, try to open it up, but it's still gonna be good though. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Oh my goodness. Ooh. See, guys, look at that drip. That drip is ridiculous. Mm. Now I'm gonna look good. Mm, 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 mm. Oh, don't run. Then try to run to the bottom of the bone. What was I saying? Oh, wrapped up in this here. What was I saying? Oh, the water, the gallon. Okay, because I had to pick it up for a second week. Mm. I can try to fight back at the end. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. What I found, mm, what I found was this week was way easier. Mm. So if you're thinking about taking on one of these water challenges, just know even if you struggle at the beginning, it does get easier. So just hang in there. And one girl I saw actually said when she couldn't finish her bottle, her gallon, she would just put it over onto the next day. I said, what? I didn't even think to do that. When I couldn't finish that one night, I just started all the way over. Like, I literally just started from scratch. I didn't even think to just tack it on to the next day. But apparently that's what she did, and it turned out okay. I said, well, it's all right. If I absolutely have to do that at some point one day, just the one, maybe. But right now, this week has been going swimmingly well. Swimmingly well as far as this challenge goes. So, at any rate, mm-hmm. I done jumped out of there. Anyway, I've been dealing with that. It's been going well. What hasn't been going so well is this roofing situation. Y'all, we had a storm come through here, and I don't know what's going on, but every roofer, something happens. Like, they just haven't been able to get it done. So I had to find somebody new. And not because of like any like professional reason, but either the weather turns up again. You know how men will come. Or something happens like in their personal life, like just unforeseen. So anyway, that's been happening. For a little bit. So I got somebody new, and he seems really nice and super knowledgeable. So fingers crossed. Hopefully we'll have this roof done before the holidays. I mean, really. Hopefully. Ooh. Now again, nobody actually answered me. I don't have a clear-cut answer here on this little goopy stuff that's on there. Look at that. That's a decent sized piece right there. All right. Take a little dive. Ooh, get that trip going. Oh, that's good. I'm sorry about that, y'all. What was I saying? Oh, yeah, so hopefully we'll have that done sooner than later. Because this storm season is upon us, y'all. It's about to get challenging out there. So, hopefully this guy can get it done quickly. Ooh, now this is a little prickly. Oh, this one got tricky here. I'm gonna hurt myself. Ooh. So at any rate, I also I had a challenge in a couple of days. I dropped a whole brand new bottle of laundry detergent on my toe. Ooh, that thing is stinging. Now it doesn't hurt so much, but it does have a pretty bad bruise. So that is no good. No good. And then last night, it was just one of those nights. You know, like, once your kids start sleeping through the night, you get good and comfortable with them sleeping through the night. And then lo and behold, all of a sudden, for no reason at all, one night, they'll just be like, you know what? I am going to wake up in the middle of the night. And not only am I going to wake up in the middle of the night, I'm going to wake up multiple times in the middle of the night. I hope you're prepared. You know, it's the air fryer corn, y'all. So, that's what I was doing last night. Going back and forth with the baby. So hopefully, you're not going to make a habit of that, because he has been a great sleeper. All right, now come on now. There we go. See, the butcher does a little pre-slit, which is nice. It shouldn't really take much. Oh, see, this thing got hips. We're gonna have to try to wriggle you out. Not coming out without a fight, that's for sure. Oh, there we go. Got it. There we go. Sometimes you just gotta shake them hips a little bit. That big piece right there. Oh my goodness. Okay. That's why I was fighting like that. I'll be careful. It's all right. Drippy drip. Welcome. What was I saying? I'm telling y'all about my toe. Oh, the baby. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Anyhow, we had one of those rough nights. I was on YouTube for hours. Just trying to stay awake with him. But we made it. It got into those wee hours, you know, like, you're like, okay, I could go to sleep. I could. But if I go to sleep now, and anyone wakes up early, anyone else wakes up early, it's going to be pointless. Or I can just be determined to stay up and stay up as long as I possibly can. And hopefully get everybody situated in the morning. And put like on a movie or something. Because I really was not sure if my husband was going to be feeling well, because he wasn't feeling well yesterday. So it was one of those nights. I was like, oh boy. I'm just hoping for the best here. But everything worked out well. Everybody came down at a reasonable hour. And then I went to sleep because he was feeling better. And that's good. And you know, you stole some of that meat from up there. That's okay though, still good. This is the meat I've been trying to get in these. Oh. And the other one since we sat down. Finally. Oh yeah. Nice chunky little thing you. Oh my goodness. That's gonna be good. So yeah, it all worked out today. I'm so glad I got to come and sit down with you. Thank you for coming to hang out with me. Oh my goodness. My goodness. I appreciate it. Sometimes you just need to sit down. And right now, this is as close as a sit down we're going to get. And that is okay. Because I'll talk to you and you can talk to me. Down in the comments. Down in the comments. Oh, that meat is really trying to... Look, you have to come out. I've been watching lots of YouTube videos, just learning how to do things. Oh my goodness, there's so much going on here. I've been doing that. Chance I get. Huh? I'm trying not to order everything in sight. Every ad that shows up, like, maybe I do need that. No. To put myself on timeout. Oh, oh, oh. I thought that thing was going to tear my finger up, but it didn't. It's stuck in there still. Okay, hold on. There we go. Oh, it's fighting back. Really? Come on now. You know why I'm here. But look at these ads are starting to speak to me. I'm like, oh no. The packages are showing up too frequently. One thing I even forgot I ordered. I was like, what is that? And when I'm serious, I opened it. It was like getting a early birthday present. I had no idea what was inside. No idea. I said, okay, we're gonna have to like be easy. But you know what? Sometimes shipping takes a while. And now that everybody's shipping everything, let's just take a good look at it. Ooh, good look at that. That onion. Excuse my elbow. I got too much of that. I know I put it back in there, but this is my bowl. No way. I'm trying to whew. Look at a little piece of egg. Let me tell you about this egg situation, okay? This was not working out. Oh my goodness, look at all that onion on there. Okay, so you know, if you boil an egg and do not peel it right away, it will give you a hard time. Oh, these eggs gave me a hard time. That's why they're looking all beat up. Got little scuff marks. That's good. So if you don't peel them right away, sometimes they'll give you a hard time getting out. And oh boy, did they ever. That thing was trying to stay on there. I said, oh, this is not going to work. Okay, let's just do the best we can. And whew, it got really choppy. So excuse my mutilated egg. Both of them. But I was busy. You got your hands full. You're doing several things at once. I was not thinking about that. I was not. And you can tell. So excuse that. Little eggy situate way. No worries. You have little friends like these. I forgot about that thumbnail situation. You know what? Let me tell you. I get why some people do it now. I'm still a YouTube newbie, if you will. But again, because otherwise, the frame is picked for you. And you only have so many options. And it might not be cute. Then see, now I'm getting to the nitty gritty. With all the onion and everything was in here. I just split this sauce. Oh man, that's good. I get why some people do that now. We're down to our last bite. Time's up. Oh no, we can't leave that behind. Oh no. Cheers. Here's to you. Well, you guys, it is about that time to say, Uncle. That was good. That absolutely hit the spot for your girl. Oh my goodness. Just lighten my mood. I'm telling you that right now. I enjoyed every morsel. I hope you did too. Thank you so much for stopping by the Answer Key. I appreciate you for coming through. Make sure you check back in for the next video. And in the meantime, in between time, subscribe and like this video. Feel free to comment down beneath it. I would love to hear from you. So until next time, you take care of you and yours, and I'll see you soon. Bye.